It is steak night tonight in the Parisi household, so I'm heading into Heinen's to get everything I need. First gonna stop over at my happy place, the meat department. I absolutely love the value of these culotte steaks. They're also known as a sirloin cap steak. They have great marbling and excellent beef flavor. I'm thinking a cheese crust on top of the steak is gonna be so good. Love that Heinen's makes its own Gorgonzola. This is gonna be perfect. And for a little more texture, let's grab some panko breadcrumbs. Now I just need a bit of fat to cook this steak in. Olive oil will do the trick. I'm not sure there's a better fresh produce section out there outside of Heinen. They always have exactly what I need and have an amazing assortment for all my recipes. And what better to go with the steak than a baked potato? And you know I love a loaded baked potato, so how about some chives, butter, and sour cream? Definitely need a couple garlic cloves for that steak. This meal's gonna be awesome, but what about a little sweet to finish it off with? So I'm on my way to head out, and there seems to be a new section in the wine department that I have to check out. This new section is called The Road Less Traveled. It's dedicated to exploring wines of the world and are sourced from lesser known regions with highly reputable winemaking traditions. It looks like Heinen's is highlighting South Africa, which has an incredible history of making unbelievably delicious wines. I'm thinking I'm going to go with the Deller Graf Botmiskop, which is a Cabernet blend and I know will go so well with my blue cheese crusted steak. While I'm at it, I might as well grab one to go with my fruit pastry, and this Beauchandal Rosé is going to be perfect. Got everything I need. Let's go check out. Oh, I cannot wait. It is steak time. Don't forget to check out that video. See you soon.